Hey guys, how you doing? I'm okay. Um, this video's gonna be I'm playing catch up with videos that I took while Marlene and I were camping, and some pretty cool things happened. I kept forgetting to go back and do it, so I'm doing it now. So anywho, um. I wanted to explain one of there's several pictures of the sky, and what what Marlene and I think that it might have been a UFO. Who who knows? Who knows? It could have been. Could have been. Because it wasn't twinkling. You know how stars twinkle. Okay, so we ruled out it being a star because we looked at it for a long time. And then it couldn't have been a plane because it didn't have the red and green flashing lights on it. And uh, FAA requires all planes to have the flashing lights. And you can see planes way up there having flashing lights, okay? And this thing was a lot closer. It looked like it to me anyway. Um, and then, even I thought, maybe it's one of those drone things, but no, it wasn't. It changed shapes. It like morphed. I know this sounds odd, but it did. It went in like a long rectangle, standing up, to like round. Hmm. So I've got pictures. I was wondering if uh, RV Keep It Rolling was if she happened to see it in the sky, because this would have been awesome for her to see because she's a sky gazer. Anyway, that's one of them. And then I have some pictures showing Marlene putting her cardboard boxes together, and I'm thinking, damn, why didn't I think of that? You know, because I was kidding around. Now all you need is to go build a you need to get you need to get a box and draw. You remember when we were kids and we were playing um, house, and we got a box and we drew the um, burners on the top of the box, and then you drew little knobs on the front of it, and you had your little oven, the door. I said, all you need is that now. She says, well, let me think about that. But she's got such a cool setup, and we took pictures of that to show you guys what she did. Now, she was going to paint them, but her husband said that might ruin the integrity of the cardboard. So what we're going to do, me and her are going to go out and see if we can find some contact paper to cover the cardboard up. So she's very happy, and yeah, it was a fun time. Fun time. So the first set of pictures are going to be the UFO. Woo! And the second set of pictures are her um, showing her setup she made. I think it was clever. Clever. So anyway, that's what I got for today. So take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo. I'm not trying to zoom. Okay, I forgot one other thing. I was eating a snack today, and these Harvest Snap green pea snack. Okay. Well, I took a picture of Sammy looking at me when I was doing it, and he has the most disgusted look on his face because I didn't give him any. So I just thought I'd add that in there real quick. Okay, bye.